Thank you. All right, at this junction, I want to recognize the presence of a great artist, a dancer. We call him Alagibo. He is CEO, Commander-in-Chief of Edo Theatre Troupe International, the person of Esco Black. He's right here in the building. And at this junction, I want to invite Edo Theatre Troupe International to entertain the house for the next 5 minutes. Edo Theatre Troupe International. to entertain for the next 5 minutes. Are we ready? All right, I beg to be informed that 5 minutes is too small for Edo Theatre Troupe because one of the wife of the first son is a member of Edo Theatre Troupe International. That person of Princess Queen Omaz Azai Esquire. Adi Junction, Esco Black International, the CEO, Commander-in-Chief of Edo Theatre Troupe International, will be playing for the next 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So let's have the Edo Theatre Troupe on the dance floor. Edone Wanle, Otunopikware Nedo, Otwe, Edo Theatre. Na era re Esco Black nana muta we otuni babara dia ya yewe ba hotel. Don't forget the president, commander-in-chief of the Edo Cultural Group Association of Nigeria. My father, my mentor, someone who taught me what I'm doing right now. So that is a father. The president of Osadolo Uzi, popularly known as the Indian man. The father of the Cultural Group Association of Nigeria. The president is right here, seated. Indian man. Maintain go pension commune. It's a look at me. Indian man, Osadolo Uzi. Now the Indian man, now the president of a cultural group you have fair no hero to do now. Your Untawo, little boy or Rima. I believe the Edo Theatre Troupe is ready to perform for the next 15 minutes. We have a lot of artists in the house to perform. We have dancers. We have group of dancers to perform. Today is Artist Day. Today is Entertainment Day. So we have a lot of comedians in the house, so actors. Everybody is in the house. Even Madman is in the house. Madman Day. If Madman wants to perform a day. Rastaman Day. Yes, we have a wonderful dancer, Romena. The only Delta boy who has migrated and become a citizen of Edo Kingdom. So, the Isoko man who is now an indigene of Edo by association. By association. What's right there? All right, don't forget we see our father in the house. I call him my grandfather. That's of more Shaggy to the Nega B. The upper Dolagmoyi of Benin Kingdom is really here. We also have our father Iyebusa Legema, a great producer, an actor, a great entertainer. He's also here in the house. Here with us in full spirit. That is Stanley. They're the superstar. So. Jeremy Dance Band of our late father, the person of Victor Waifo, they are also here with us. Jeremy Dance Band, they are here with us. You are welcome. And the Perozo Band Entertainment, they are also here with us. We have a lot of entertainers here to perform. My grandfather is here. The elder brother of Victor Owaifo is also here. Clemiko. Clemico Uwaso, the father of Peter the Rock, is also here present. Please help put down together. Help put down together. And also we have